Greetings candidates and welcome back to the lesson. The subject is Meetings, Compliance and Administration, August 2022. Today we are going to answer question number 4. Part A reads, appraise 5 roles of stockbrokers in securities markets. 5 marks. 5 roles of stockbrokers in securities markets. Now we are going to discuss 5 roles. The first one is execution of trades. They facilitate execution of trades. That's number 1. Number 2 is in relation to market research and analysis. Number 3, investment advisory services. Number 4 is portfolio management. And lastly, number 5, the 5th role that stock brokers play in the securities market is compliance and regulatory guidance. Compliance and regulatory guidance. 5 roles. Roles of stockbrokers in securities markets. The first role I said is execution of trades. Execution of trades. Stockbrokers facilitate the buying and selling of securities on behalf of their clients. They execute trade on stock exchanges or other trading platforms, ensuring timely and accurate execution of orders. That is one role that stockbrokers play in securities markets. 2, market research and analysis. Market research and analysis. They provide market research and analysis to their clients. They study market trends. They analyze company financials and also make investment recommendations based on their expertise and knowledge of the securities markets. The third role is investment advisory services. They give investment advisory services. Stockbrokers offer investment advisory services, guiding their clients in making informed decisions. They provide insights on portfolio diversification, risk management, and investment strategies tailored to their clients' goals and what we call risk tolerance. Risk tolerance. 4, portfolio management. Portfolio management. Stockbrokers may offer portfolio management services where they actively manage clients' investment portfolios. They monitor market conditions, rebalance portfolios, and make investment decisions on behalf of their clients, ensuring alignment with their investment objectives. 5, compliance and regulatory guidance. Compliance and regulatory guidance. Stockbrokers ensure compliance with securities regulations, with the rules of the exchange. They may also help clients navigate the legal and regulatory framework, ensuring that transactions and investment meet the required standards and comply with applicable laws and regulations. So these are 5 roles of stockbrokers in securities markets. 1, execution of trades. Number 2, market research and analysis. Number 3, investment advisory services. Number 4, portfolio management. And lastly, compliance and regulatory guidance. These are 5 roles, 5 marks.